pagkain man o pagyaman, biyahe man kung saan saan, kahit pa sino pa ang iyong angkan. What's up, Pilipinas? What's up, Pilipinas? Halina at libutin ang ating mundo. What's up, Pilipinas? Aming ibibigay ang inyong gusto. What's up, Pilipinas? Ang show na ito'y para lang sa inyo. What's up, Pilipinas? Tutok na. So what's up, Pilipinas? Libutin ang mundo, kainin ang gusto, alamin ang tamang daan kung paano ka umasanso. Kasama ang buong tropa ng What's up, Pilipinas. Aming ibibigay sa mata at ipapadanas ang saya ng What's up, Pilipinas. Tutok na, so what's up, Pilipinas? Ang saya dito sa Pilipinas, ihahatid sa inyo ng What's up, Pilipinas.
Hi, ma'am! Baka naman mag-try yung dinadago. Una kayo, sir, para matry.
Para matry ang ano?
Para matry natin kung gano'n. May ano ba yun ng argan? Para matry ni sir. Ang bango talaga ng argan natin, sir. Ayan, tingnan nyo, sir. Paano yan, sir? Pampagrow, sir. Ayan. Try it, sir, to your hair.
Para saan yan? Para saan yan?
Hair, face, and body na po siya. For moisturized your skin, anti-dry skin, anti-dandruff,
Ano gagawin ko? Gaganon?
Yes, sir.
Ano mangyayari?
Ano po yung magiging healthy treatment po sa hair nyo, hindi po kayo magkakaroon ng dandruff, anti-dry hair, and anti-loss hair.
Yes!
Pero gano'ng karami dapat ang lagay mo?
100 ml. Only 1 tip lang po siya. Sakop na rin po siya. Isang pump lang po siya. Hindi siya katulad ng ibang oil na naging stain sa buhok na na-adapt po siya ng hair nyo kaagad.
Tsaka ito, sir, mabango siya. Hindi siya yung...
So, i-demo mo?
Yes.
Okay, sir. Try nyo, sir. I-try nyo, sir.
Yan.
Yung sa hair nyo. Yan!
Yan! Shiny!
What's up, Pilipinas? We are the life seller of Miss Sammy J. Happy birthday, Miss Sammy J!
O, pakilala kayo.
My name is Christine Manalo from Brahel Mall. Model for 3ml and instant.
Oh, miss.
Pina pa from Intuit. Ay, the Prime Line. Ayan.
Next.
Hi, I'm Jen, life seller of Instant and Intuit.
Next.
Ayan, guys. Ako nga pala si May. Papalo na lang ako ng ating page na Intuit sa TikTok, sa Shop at sa Sada. Please lang pa-follow ako ng Intuit at Instant natin, guys.
And?
Hi guys! I'm Marie, live seller ni Ma'am Sammy. Ayan, follow niyo po yung mga account ni Ma'am Sammy lahat. Bye!
Meron pa? Wala na, wala na.
Okay na, sir. Nagkatabi na sa TikTok namin, sir, ha?
Pwede,
Pag-isipan mo.
pwede ba kayo mag-shoutout? Sama-sama? Oh, 1, 2, 3!
What's up, Pilipinas? Happy birthday, Miss Sammy J. From Life Seller!
Ito, para saan naman to? Para saan kayo?
Payment.
Payment. Ah. Ayan. Oh, pakilala kayo, guys.
Lang, sir.
Ayaw?
Live po ba yan?
Hindi pa naman.
Recorded.
Sana. Hi. Oh, pakilala ka, pakilala ka.
Hi everyone, welcome to the Sammy J event. This is Julie from Marketing Department. I hope you enjoy and I hope this marks your day and enjoy everything that you see in here. Hi! What's up, Pilipinas?
Wala mo magsusukat? Sa amin.
5 po yan.
I'm just so happy because today is quite special. It's the first time I ever met with an attendant to its nangyari in person sa peaceful birthday ko. And I'm happy that I get to celebrate my birthday with all of you guys. And aside from that, I'm already planning a baby charity to the day too. So today is very, very meaningful. Day one ka lang ng new chapter ng buhay ko. Masaya na tayo. So I hope mag-enjoy kayo lahat and good luck everyone.
Everybody will be happy. Thank you so much to the birthday girl. Okay. Okay, alright. And definitely, we are very honored as mentioned by the birthday girl. This program is meant for us. Alright, we are honored to have the presidents of the representatives of the states to be born.
First of all, we want to wish Sammy a very, very happy birthday.
of everybody. Definitely number one, you have to stay hydrated. Alright? You should have a bottle ready in front of you. Again, I'd like to repeat, the water dispensers are placed right at the corner of this floor. Okay, po? And we have a nurse on standby just in any case that you will feel any discomfort. Okay? Sige. Walang mahihilo. Walang sasama-kailangan. Lahat pagkatapos ng araw natin nag-save. Okay? Alright. Ladies and gentlemen, the proper awards are right in front of you. Okay. Gusto na magsumula. Kaya dahil dyan, without further ado, please welcome our amazing Zumba instructors, C. John Manuel,
Yan, kainan na.
Okay, one flavor. Original, garlic parmesan, barbecue. Sa inyo, ma'am.
Hello.
Ang ganda ng 500.
Hello tayo.
Hello.
Hello, Philippines.
One, two, three.
What's up, Pilipinas? Happy birthday, Sammy J!
One, two, three.
Happy birthday, Sammy J! God bless!
Oh, dito naman ha. Hi, guys, pakilala kayo.
Casey po.
Casey?
Cat.
Cat. Ayun. So, bakit kayo nakasama dito? Na-invite pa kayo? Nakita niyo yung ad? Ano ba? Paano?
Nakita lang po namin sa Facebook ads. So, interested kasi nag-zumba din talaga kami.
Matagal na kayo nagsusumba? How many years?
2-3 years.
Pero first time nyo nandito? Pumunta rito sa venue na to? So how do you find it so far?
So far, so good. It's appreciated.
Ano ba expectations nyo dito?
Actually, we just wanted to have fun. Same time, work out. At actually, talaga na bumili ng Sammy J product.
Yun. Suot nyo na.
Suot na namin.
Nabili nyo na yan.
Yes, kanina.
Yes. Can you tell us about, kumusta?
So far, parang kinain kami dito. It's good. I think, maging, tingting na ako.
So, we're preparing din kasi for a run, for a race. So,
Fun run? Or race talaga? Triathlon? Ano ba?
naman,
Marathon. Dito sa Manila, where? Province?
Manila lang.
Manila lang. Yun. So how do you find the price? Yung registration?
Not bad at all. Kasi
Not bad at all.
really it's for a cause. So, it's actually parang lang siya eh. You're here to have fun. You get what is,
Just a normal
more.
day for everywhere.
So you had,
You get more from
you had fun, nakatulong pa kayo. Yun.
So, it's good to know na napunta siya sa isang charity.
Oo.
So, kumbaga parang you feel like nag-workout ka pero at the same time nakakatulong ka rin sa others. So, parang win-win sa
Oo. And mamaya, may raffle pa, di ba? Mapari
Hindi
pa.
naman ako yung grill.
Siniclaim na namin.
Yeah. Oh, ano masasabi nyo kay Sammy J?
Grabe yung bebang niya, hindi ko kaya. Kailangan ma-achieve ko.
23 daw 23.
22 yung sa akin.
We admire her for the business, yung businesswoman niya, pagiging fit niya, at sa mga na-influence pa niya ibang mga tao. Wellness. So, yun. It impacts us. Inspire kami sa mga endeavor niya, mga cause niya.
And now, today is her birthday, di ba? Oh, isang greeting naman dyan.
Yan, so happy birthday, Sammy J. Thank you for this wonderful event that you're also helping others. So, more blessings to come para sa'yo and more success sa business you. More power.
Yun. And one last thing, isang shoutout. On the count of 3, sisigaw kayo ng What's Up, Pilipinas? Okay?
What's up, Pilipinas?
Oh. 1, 2, 3.
What's up, Pilipinas?
Yun. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everybody. Okay po. Pagod pa. Hello. Alright. Sige. Again, I'd like to take this opportunity first to introduce myself. My name is Neil. I am the Training and Development Manager for Primeline Philippines. But today, I will not be a manager. I will not do training with you. Alright? But I will be your host for today. Because we will be celebrating the birthday of the beautiful Sammy Jane! Palakpakan naman po natin. Alright. Sige. Gusto ko na mabuhay ang grupo na nandito. I need 12 different participants from from different groups. I need 12 people here in front. Sige po. Anyone from you guys, 12. Dali, mamimigay ako ng bahay at lupa. Okay, kabilang po. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Sana na po. Yeah! Alright, sige na. Marami pa. 346 pa yung laro natin today. Sige. Okay, sige ba? Pila mo tayo. Sige. Pila kayo mas. Isang linya po. Isang linya po. Sige, isang linya po. Sige ma, extend po. Extend po dito. Sige, lumahiwalay kayo ma'am. Sige, urong pa po doon. Sige ma'am, urong pa po. Tapos, atras tayo, 3 steps backward. 1, 2, 3. Okay, good job kids. Galing nakikinig kay teacher. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Later. Mag-346 po ma'am. Sige, okay na, laban na. Sige po, hanggang kay 29. Sige, urong pa dito ma'am. Urong pa po. Alright. Sige. This game, okay, yung laro natin ngayon, guys. Okay, sige. Yung game natin today is called Siopaw, Siomai, Suman. Alam mo yung game? Alright. It's the same with yung very famous na Hep Hep Hooray. Alright. Pag sinabi kong Siopaw, ganito po ay hindi ganito. Siopaw, Siomai, Suman. Okay, practice muna tayo mga practice muna. Sa mga labas ang tiyan, di po ba kayo nilalamig? Hindi naman, okay. Sige, pag sinabi ang Siopaw, Siomai, Suman. Okay, sige ma'am ha. Siopaw! Bago energy mo. Siopaw! Gusto ko yung energy mo, ma'am. Okay, sige. Try natin ulit ako. Pwede huwag kang magalit sa akin. Hindi ka galit ka lang. Hindi naman. Talagang grabe lang yung passion mo talaga. Okay, sige. Ready, go!
Siopaw! Siomai! Siomai!
Suman.
Siopaw! Siomai!
Suman.
Supaw! Supaw! Oh, sige, yun lang. Practice lang naman yan. Sige, magpa-practice nyo ito sa side na to. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Siomai!
Ano siya? Ang laki ng siomai mo, ma'am. Laki ng siomai. Sige, ganito ma'am, ganito. Okay, sige. Okay. Siopaw, siomai, suman. Alright, sige, practice game muna tayo ah. Practice game. 1, 2, 3.
Siomai!
Siopaw. Malapit, konti na lang mong pa-sex talk na. Siopaw, kamusta ka na? Sige, practice ulit. Go! Siopaw! Siomai! Alright, sige. Mukhang alam na ng lahat. Clear tayo ah. Good. Ang idea ng game parang Hep Hep Hooray, pero wag niyo pong ilagay sa isip niyo yung idea. Ako si Willie, no? Sige. Okay, ako po si Neil. Alright. So kapag ka, nagganto tayo, yun lang din yan, okay? Ang magkamali, you guys will be the judges. Alright? Isusumpot nyo. Hindi nyo kagrupo, tignan nyo agad. Joke lang. Alright. Sige. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Siopaw! Siomai! Suman! Siomai!
Okay. Sige. ang saya. Ma'am, nasa comedy party tayo, wala rin sa comedy bar. Oh, sige. Alright, sige, sige. Alright, sige, sige. Okay, game. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Tama ba talaga siya? Hindi ko alam kung siopaw o siomay. Suma naman. Oh. Okay, tanggal ba siya? Tanggal sa mga ugali niyo mo. Oo. Hindi siya nakapagay. Tanggal natin. Sige, ready? 1, 2, 3. Siomay naman. Siomay. Sige, game. Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3. Suman. Okay, sige. Ilan na lang tayo? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, game. Asan lang yung shopping? Sayang naman, hindi ko makakain yung shopping. Nawawala. Thank you. Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3. Shuman na dapat na shuman. Okay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you, number 56. Alright, sige, parang ano to. Magandang laban to, magandang laban. Go! Shuman! We have the last 6 contenders. Shopay! Sige pa kayo. Okay, titignan natin kung ano pang word ang kayang buuin ng grupong to. Kasi may shopay na, may sumaw na ako narinig. Okay, sige. Ano kaya ang word na susunod? Suman! Thank you, ma'am. Okay, good job. Alright, 4 na lang sila. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Suman. Hindi ka naman. Sabi niya, anong mali siya eh. Okay, sige, last 3. You are from?
Pasig City.
Kala mo tayo, sa Wawawi tayo. Game, ikaw ma'am, taga saan ka?
Valenzuela City.
City. Alright, sige. Isang Pasig, isang Valenzuela, at isang Taguig. Sino kaya ang mananalo at may pinakamataas na ayuda ang munisipyo? Okay, sige, ready? 1, 2, 3. Pasok ba? Pasok? O, sige, mabait sila. Sabi ko kung mabait ka ma'am sa kabilang buhay eh. Pero ang bait ng mga tao tayo. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Saglit lang, may problema ka sa Suman! Gabi! Parang nag-issue ka sa akin nung bata ako eh. Sige naman, talagang pinapil mo lang yung game. Perfect. Okay, sige. Nakalimutan ko bang sabihin na huwag kayo masyadong sisigaw kasi ang mapapanalo nandito dito, chicken. Joke lang. Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, sige. Alright, thank you ma'am. 126. We have 87 and 11. Okay, sige ma'am. Dito kayo. Tig-isa dyan. Okay, ganito ako para hindi unfair. Ako yung dito. Kayo mga mag-judge. Okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Alright. Sige, tatanungin natin ang ating organizer. Sige, asaan ang ating organizer? Papanalunin na ba natin yung dalawa? Papanalunin natin yung dalawa! Alright, congratulations to the both of you. Maraming salamat. Alright, ito po ang inyong prize. Alright, we would like to thank, of course, our sponsors from Alaska Corporation and, of course, at Perfume. Maraming salamat. Alaska lang po sa inyo aking ipabango. Kasi yun po yung ginawa ko. So, sige po. Alright, picture po tayo. Alright, maraming salamat po. Thank you so much. Number 35. Pa-check po ka ng mga singlets nyo. Number 35. 35. Wala. Pa-check po ka ng mga singlets. Number 35. Number 35. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's pick up another number, please. Okay, we will pick up another number. Congratulations, number 138. 138. Meron po tayong 138 here.
Wala.
Number 138. Wala rin pong 138. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, we'll pick up another number. Congratulations! Number 71! 71! Alright, congratulations ma'am. Dito ka po. Isama mo yung libo na pang-tatlong tao. Let's go! Come over here. Congratulations ma'am. Okay, sige. Stay over there in front na. For our second raffle draw, we'll have number 59. Number 59. Nice. Alright. Alright. Sige, congratulations po. Sige po, get your prize here. We'll get the last one for this set. For this set alone. Congratulations, number 29. 29. Alright. Multi-edge. Oh, diba? Mas galing po. Galing. Good job. Congratulations. We'll move on to the belt and sauna suit. Gusto na ito. Alright. So congratulations for the first winner. We have singlet number 69. 69. Alright. Good job. Pwede na lang. Sige po. Alright, congratulations. Our next winner. Last 4 winners. Singlet number 2020. Singlet number 20. Wala po. 20. Alright. Ako lang yung singlet mo. Hindi, papatawag muna ako ng ano dito, ng auditing firm. Perfect. Alright. Congratulations. Again po, last 3 winners will have singlet number 27. 27. Alright, congratulations!
Saan?
Congratulations, ma'am! Ang konti po ng color ng suot nyo ngayon. Okay. Congratulations! Last 2 raffle draw. Congratulations to number 104! 104! Alright, congratulations, ma'am! And the last winner for the first draw will have number 111. 111? Yes, let's go on, congratulations! I want you to step backwards 3 times. Okay, sige. Presto. Okay, same rule, pero hindi na siopaw, hindi na siomay, hindi na suman, pero parang hip-hip-hurry pa din. Alright? This game is called Halabira. Alright? Pag sinabi kong hala, hala. Pag sinabing bira, bira. Okay, practice tayo. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Alright. Pagalingan lang. Wala, hindi ko masyadong papansinin yung hala, pero ang importante, pagalingan lang. Alright. Sige. Practice game muna tayo, ha? Practice game. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ano man? Sabi na sa ano? Sorry po. Sige ma. Ala? Okay. Sige, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Bira!
Ala?
Ala?
Bira!
Ala!
Ala! Gano'n na? Wait lang mama, hold on kita. Kasi nagulat ako sa bagay. Hala? Okay. Whatever you do, you have to put up your legs and say, hala? Bira! Ayan, okay? Alright. Sige, ready? Practice muna tayo, ha? Okay, kailangan ko na. Ma'am, kapatapos tayo MTRCP. Bakit ka ang tinitingnan? Samalin muna. Okay, sige, para makapag-focus. Alright, sige. Babe, you do it again. Hala, bira, go. Hala? Bira.
Gandara part.
Alright. Hala? Bira. Hala? Alright. Sige mo, hindi mo lang po aanuhin. Alam natin. Okay, ready? Practice game muna. Last practice to, guys. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Bira!
Hala muna ha. Okay. Hala? Bira. Talaga nakapokus siya kasi ginagaling. Talagang ginalingan mo yun eh. Ha, may hala tayo ha. Yung chill lang muna. Hala? Pero dahan-dahan, huwag mo kong gagaling. Sige, okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Bira!
Hala?
Bira!
Alright. Sige. Sige. Huwag niyo naman kempotin yung bira, hindi ako makakakit. Bira. Alright, gagalingin na natin. Game na to. You will still be the judges. Alright? Sasabihin natin kung sino ang magkakamali. Alright? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Hala! Bira! Hala! Bira! Hala! Bira! Hala! Bira! Bira!
Hala!
Sabihin mo, pa-chiquito ka na. Hala! Yung parang mga yung mga kapanahon ni Dolphy Quezon. Hala! Alright. Sige. Game, ayos tayo ha. Game. Mag-iipit na yung mga judges natin. Tama? Mag-iipit na yung mga judges. 1, 2, 3.
Hala!
Bira! Hala! Bira!
Hala!
Bira! Hala! Bira!
Hala! Hala!
Bira! Hala!
Bira! Hala!
Hala! Hala! Sige ma'am. Thank you. Thank you. Number 155. Sige. Okay. Ready? Ma'am, ihigpit na kami ngayon. Pag sinabing hala, hala. Pag nahuli po, kailangan ng words kasabay ng hala. Okay. Kaya po naghihigpit kasi yung pawis ko po parang nagsusumba pa rin ako. Alright. Sige, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Bira! Hala! Bira! Hala! Bira! Hala! Bira! Hala! Bira!
Alright. Congratulations. Thank you so much. Sige. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Hala!
Bira!
Hala!
Bira! Hala! Hala!
Hala ulit. Hala. Sige lang. Thank you. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Hala!
Bira! Hala! Bira! Hala!
Okay ba ito, ma'am? Okay, okay. Okay pa daw. Pero ma'am. Okay, laging may taas ang paa. Laging may taas ang paa. Huwag nila akong kadyutin. Okay na lang. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Hala! Bira!
Hala!
Bira! Hala! Bira! Hala!
Bira.
Hala! Bira! Bira!
Bira. Bira.
Bira! Bira! Hala! Bira! Hala!
Bira.
Hala!
Bira!
Hala!
Bira!
Bira!
Ayan. Ma'am. Ma'am, napagod ka pa. Gawin mo kasi. Hindi ka lang kumira yung ginagawa niyo ang kaldag. Nung kinakaldagan mo ko, parang tiktokeris ka. Right? Okay, sige. We only have 8. Okay, 8 na lang kayo, ma'am. Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Hala! Bira! Hala! Bira!
Bira. Thank you, ma'am. Alright, congratulations. Sige. Gagalingan, gagalingan. Go!
Hala! Bira! Hala! Bira!
Hala!
Bira! Hala! Bira!
Sayang. Sige, ma'am. 6 na lang. 6. 6 na lang kayo, ma'am. Kaya naman.
Bira! Hala! Bira! Hala! Bira! Bira! Hala!
Ay, ka, ma'am. Ano siya? Sige, game. Alright. Okay, 5 na lang kayo, ma'am. 5 na lang. My gosh, tapos ito, ang sigurado ko, may pangsopas yung isa sa inyo. Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Hala!
Bira! Hala! Bira!
Hala!
Bira! Hala! Bira!
Hala!
Bira! Hala! Bira! Hala! Bira!
Hala!
Bira! Hala! Bira! Hala!
Sayang, ma'am. Sayang. Okay, 4 na lang. 4 na lang. 2 representative galing sa mga ballroom dancers. Alright. Senior citizen. Wow! At ang isa galing sa grupo din. palang ganun. Sabi na, konsensya ko, mapapanalunan mo? Okay, sige. Nakita ko yung pila, parang may pila yung ano eh. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Hala!
Pila!
Hala!
Pila!
Hala!
Pila!
Hala!
Pila! Hala!
Pila!
Hala!
Pila! Hala! Pila!
Hala! Pila!
Hala!
Pila! Hala!
Pila!
Hala! Pila!
Hala!
Pila! Hala!
Pila!
Hala! Pila!
Hala! Hala!
Hello! Galing mo naman eh! Thank you po! Sige, tatlo. Ma'am, sa gitna ka. Sa gitna ka kasi. Ayan. Ayan. Kunyari, may bumutas backup dancers. Okay. Ready? Tatlo na lang, guys. Ang laki ng pag-asa ng mga ballroom dancers. Sige. Alright. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hala! Pila! Hala!
Pila!
Hala! Pila! Hala! Pila!
Hala!
Pila! Sayang! Okay. Okay. Sige, ganito ma'am. Ganito mangyayari. Kasi parang ang galing niyo talagang kumaldag dalawa eh. Talagang, yung isa, hala! Ito, hala! Okay. Sige, ganito gagawin natin ma'am. Pag sinabing hala, tapos pag sinabing bira, bira. Baliktad. Okay. Judges, baliktad po. Okay. Ready? Ulit ma'am. Practice ko na tayo. Hala? Sige ma'am, hindi. Maglalaro tayo. Huwag mong bulong-bulungan ng hati kayo. Binubulungan mo. Binabribe po ako ma'am eh. Okay lang iba. Para ano, sa next Zumba session, sa akin ang Alaska. Gano'n, Alaska. Hala? Hala pa. Hala. 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 Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hala.
Pila!
Hala. Congratulations, ma'am! Singlet number 100. Congratulations! Andito na po ang inyong prize. Here is your prize. Ma'am, I have a good news. Napakabait ng organizers natin. Panalo ka rin! You will also be receiving gift packs from Alaska Corporation and also perfume from Active Perfume. So, alright, congratulations. Sige kayo muna sa camera.
Ate mo, ate, kata.
Oy, ganun yung dalawang ano na.
Alright, congratulations, number 79. For our next winner, we'll have singlet number 33. Congratulations, number 33. Where is singlet number 33? Congratulations, number 33. Next winner will be singlet number 91. Singlet number 91.
Wala. Ayun.
Alright, last but not the least, we have singlet number 32. Congratulations! Next is, wala ba 32? Number 32 po? 3, 2. Pa-check po ako ng mga katabi ni ma'am. Walang number 32. Sige, we'll just keep it. Let's keep it for 32. Alright, next is we will be giving away 6 JML humidifier. Alright.
Ayun yung 32.
And the humidifier, it retails for 3,799 pesos. Number 32, maraming salamat po. Congratulations. For our first winner of JML humidifier, we'll have singlet number 9999. Congratulations! 99 na? CR 199? Mamaya na lang po kami. Salamat po. Opo. Yes. The next winner of our JML humidifier will have singlet number 22. Next winner is singlet number 8181. You will still get JML humidifier number 126. Congratulations. Ma'am Dahlia sa big mong long hair. Congratulations. Last two winners of JML humidifier. Singlet number 155. Congratulations. Last but not the least, we'll have singlet number 9. Congratulations, man. Most awaited part of this program also, the what we call OTS. Alright, I'd like to verify first the participants of our OTS. We'll have here person 1, Classy Cats. Tama po? Alright. From Classy Titas in Motion. Next is from Kalawan Pasig. We have here Pretty Mommies. Alright. Next is from Pinagbuhatan. We have here Z-Moms. Alright. From Taytay, we have here Queen Star. Again from Pinagbuhatan, we have here Simply Movers. Last participant from Bambang, Gilas Bambang. Nasa inyo po si Mayor? Wala si Mayor. Okay, sige. Alright, I'd like to take this opportunity to please read you through the mechanics of today's program. You have to form a group and gather at least 10 people. dance routine based on the drawn number. The event organizer will choose one song for all the contestants to determine who is the most powerful, energetic to follow the instructor's dance routine. No intro yells allowed. Prizes will be awarded based on judges' scores. Alright, I'd like to read you the criteria for judging. Criteria for judging: 35% ability to follow, 35% synchronization, 15% projection, 15% costume, a total of 100%. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to take this opportunity also to introduce our panel of judges. Starting off with the sales and leasing manager of Prime 9 Philippines. We have here Miss Gigi Rosales. Our e-commerce and live stream operations manager, we have here Miss Camille Villanueva. Next is the Chief Executive Officer of one of our sponsors, Acme Perfume. We have here Miss Kimberly Uy. Last but definitely not the least, our supply chain head and shared services. We have here Miss Mavic Hall.
Baka. Mainit din eh.
Alright, important reminders for today. No changing of group numbers after drawing. That's number 1. Judge's decision is final. For the winner, you will receive 5,000 pesos in cash. For the first runner-up, you will receive 3,000 pesos. Second runner-up, you will receive 2,000 pesos. And third runner-up, we will be giving away 5 gift certificates worth 1,000 pesos. Alright. Alright, so we will draw here. Kung sino po yung mauna. For the first group, it will be Pretty Momshies. Pretty Momshies, please be ready. You will be the first performer. Second will be Gilas Pambang. Gilas Pambang, you will be the second. The third performer will be Yum Ladies. Yum Ladies. The fourth performer will be Fourth is Titas in Motion. Fifth performer will have Simply Movers. Sixth performer Classy Cats. Seventh performer will be Queen Star, and our last performers will be Z-Moms. Momshies! Bunches of Calauan, Pasig. From Bambang, we have here Gilas Bambang. Alright, and that was Gilas Bang Bang! Let me call on the third performer to Artan. Let's welcome Young Ladies! Let me call on our fourth performer from Pasig, Titas in Motion! Alright, and that was Titas in Motion of Pasig. Let's welcome from Pinagbuhatan, we have here Simply Movers! Alright, and that was Simply Movers from Pinagbuhay.
Wow.
Alright, and that was Classy Cats of San Juan.
Green Star.
Alright, and that was T-Bombs from Pinagdu. And we have a great news again for everybody, because all of the items that you will see right on the Sammy J counter, they're on buy one, take one! Grabe, walang tigil yung regalo sa atin ng birthday girl. I hope everyone magkaroon po kayo ng time right after this program to check on the newest items of Sammy J right on that very counter.
Thank you.
Cool? Alright, maraming salamat ladies. Thank you so much. Alright, grabe. Dapat sumali na sa fashion show kanina. Kita nyo guys? Grabe, yung bewang pang 0.5. Okay, happy birthday. Thank you for being kind to everybody. You deserve all the blessings that you've been receiving and you will receive in the future. Maraming salamat. Because I knew kung gaano kabuti yung puso niya, because when she was actually looking at you guys dancing all your heart, sinabi niya agad, no, hindi nila deserve ang 5,000 pesos. We have to increase it. Grabe si Madam. Siya yung nagbibigay ng regalo sa atin, guys, kahit siya yung may birthday today. Alright, I am just requesting everybody to please sing with me. Let's sing a happy birthday song to our birthday celebrant, Madam Sammy J. Alright. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Alright! Sabay-sabay nating batiin. Happy birthday, Miss Sammy J! Happy birthday, Miss Sammy J! Alright! On behalf of your Primeline, Sammy J family, and also the Zumba family here, happy birthday, Madam Sammy J. I hope that you've enjoyed the whole celebration of today. And we're very looking forward to more birthdays with you. Alright, happy birthday. we will be awarding the Power Awards. So I am inviting all the winners. All right. It doesn't end there, ladies and gentlemen. We have another award. That another award is Sexy Like Sammy. Sino kaya ang Sexy Like Sammy for tonight? You are Sexy Like Sammy. Singlet number 4444. For today. Congratulations, everybody. All of them will receive a Sash certificate, Power Blender Extreme of JLL Appliances, gift packs from our sponsors, Alaska Corporation and Acme Perfume. Congratulations, everybody. Winners, but let me call on all the groups here in front for your consolation prize. Consolation prize. Congratulations. All right. Let me call on. All right. Get to your OTS natin. Palakpakan naman sa lahat na gustong manalo. So I will be announcing the second runner-up, the first runner-up, and also the grand champion. So that means if your group name wasn't called, that means you will receive the consolation prize. Cool? All right. For our second runner-up, garnering 90%, you will receive 5,000 pesos. Congratulations! Tita's English! Alright, congratulations, Tita's Emotion. You are the second runner-up. For the first runner-up, let me call here. The first runner-up received 7,000 pesos and garnered 95%. You are the first runner-up. Zimons! Congratulations, Team Moms! Congratulations to our first runner-up. Before I announce the grand champion for the on-the-spot competition, definitely would love to hear some words from our birthday celebrant. Let me call here on stage, Miss Sammy J.
Kapita mo na lang.
Wrong. Hi, Dolores! Congratulations sa lahat. I am so happy today. I hope you're happy as well. Hello? Yes. Okay. Grabe, tuwang-tuwa yung puso ko mga Dolores, walang plastikan. Suma-suma. Tapos, kailangan ko, huy! Kasi Bisaya na Dolores. Uy, ang super duper thank you from the bottom of my heart. Today is so special kasi nga, again, like I said earlier, I get to spend my birthday with you guys. Ito yung pinakaunang page ng new chapter ng buhay ko. Ang kayo agad yung kasama ko. Wow! Diba? I'm so proud na marami akong nakikitang super empowered women. So, sa mga hindi nakakaalam, gusto ko lang ulitin ano ang purpose ng aking brand. So, so para talaga to sa mga hindi nakakaalam, sinimulan natin yung fitness brand natin kasi gusto kong makatulong na maibalik yung self-confidence ng mga babaeng nawala ng self-confidence. Lalo na dun sa mga sinaktan at saka niloko. Hindi tayo magbayad. And I believe that fitness is the key. Self-love is the key. If you love yourself enough, you will not tolerate shit. Correct? Yes! Ayan, so maraming salamat. Thank you so much for celebrating with me. I really appreciate your time and effort. I hope you had fun. And congratulations again. Bye!
Alright, that was our birthday girl, Miss Sammy J. Palakpakan naman po natin. And the most awaited winner for today, let me call in our grand winner, cornered 98%. And you will receive 10,000 pesos. Congratulations, you are the grand champion. Congratulations, Queen Star! Congratulations! Timothy